Alright, question number 3. Paula used the equation 960x minus 12x squared equals 19,152 to predict the number of peaches per acre she could expect when she planted 42 trees per acre. Which of the following is not an equivalent equation? Now, this problem seems very unwieldy, seems like a lot of stuff going on, but trust me, it is very easy. All we have to do is get the original question into standard form, factor it, and then do the same thing for our answer stem. So our original is 960x minus 12x squared equals 19,152. Alright, remember, our standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's get this equation in that order. We'll have negative 12x squared plus 960x minus 19152 equals 0. Alright, now we got a standard form. Now we ask ourselves, can we factor this equation? Alright, we're going to look at our answer stems after this and see if when we factor it, we have the same thing inside of our parentheses. So let's factor out negative 12. We'll have x squared minus 80x plus 1596 equals 0. Alright? Now look at this. X squared minus 80x plus 1596. That means that anything inside the parentheses, if we factor out our answer stem, we'll get the same solution. So let's take a look at our answer stem. We have A equals 4x squared plus 320x minus 6384 equals 0. Factor out negative 4, so we'll have x squared minus 80x plus 1596. So this one is the same. So that's not our answer. B is 3x times x minus 80 equals negative 478. Multiply everything by 3x, and then factor it out, and we have x squared minus 80x plus 1596 again. So this is not our answer. Let's look at C. C wants us to FOIL or use the box method. Alright, it's binomial multiplication. We have x minus 38 times x minus 42. Our answer is x squared minus 80x plus 1596 equals 0. Still the same thing, not our answer. Alright, so now we're down at D. D obviously is the answer that's not the equivalent equation, but let's finish it up anyway. 2x squared minus 160x equals 9576. Move 9576 over, right? Make sure that equals 0. So we have 2x squared minus 160x plus 9576. We already know it's not going to be the same because we divide out 2. This number is going to be, it should be minus 9576. We know that this number is going to be completely different, right? It's going to be a negative number instead of a positive number. So we'll do factor out 2, and our final answer is x squared minus 80x minus 478, which is different than all the other problems. So D is not the equivalent equation, thus D is our correct answer.